This is Louise, and she's revealing her little brother, Art. That's his name. Art is drawing the kitty cat. This is a book called Louise Loves Art by Kelly Light. Now this has got a double meaning. Louise loves art. She loves to draw. But her little brother's name is Art, and she loves him too. She's a good big sister. There is Louise. She is in her bedroom, and she is making lots of beautiful drawings. There is Art standing in the doorway, wanting to play with his sister and do everything that she does. I love art. It's my imagination on the outside. And there's Art. Art loves his big sister. He admires her so much. It means he has a lot of respect for her and looks up to her and wants to do everything that she does. So little time, so much to draw. One of these drawings will be my masterpiece, the greatest drawing I have ever done. Oh, she is focused. She is sharpening her pencil so she can make more work. But look over here. There is Art. He is drawing with a crayon on top of one of her pieces. What is he drawing? He is drawing Louise's glasses. Aren't they fantastic? She might not be happy about that when she figures that one out. To be a great artist, you have to notice everything. Every line. Every curve. Wait, hold that pose. I will capture your catness. I've done it! So fierce, so feline, so fantastic. A masterpiece. She signed her artwork. Kitty cat looks proud. Louise! Oh, there is Art. Art is proud too. He is showing her the glasses that he had drawn. She doesn't see him though. Not now, Art. I have to get ready for my show. Ooh, she collects all of her drawings and leaves the room. I have to hang each picture just so. She has all of her art in a nice, neat pile. She's got tape in her hands, and she's hanging each of her pieces on the wall. She starts outside of her room, Louise, and then goes down the staircase, Louise, and then adds an arrow this way to the Art. Another arrow. It's my pièce de résistance. I know the perfect spot for it. Her final piece, her masterpiece. She knows exactly where she's going to take it. Can you guess where? Ah, of course. The Gallery des Friges. She put the piece down with tape and she's figuring out where she wants to put it. And meanwhile, Art is back there with some scissors cutting into her masterpiece. Uh-oh. Oh, Les! He's super proud. Ah! Art, how could you? Ah! It's my drawing. My masterpiece. Sorry. Oh, he didn't realize he would make her upset. Oh, but she's taking a closer look at it now. Oh, she realizes that is Art, Louise, Art, Louise, Art, Louise. Oh, and they're all holding hands together. That's really special. And she realizes that. Oh, Art, I love it. It's your masterpiece, and I know the perfect spot for it. Voila! The Gallery des Friges! And she gave it the first place ribbon. Oh, that's beautiful. What a nice big sister to encourage Art so much. After Art cut up Louise's masterpiece, she is angry at first. Then she pauses, observes, and discovers just who the paper people are meant to represent. She is reminded that although she loves her art, she loves Art, her brother, even more. I'm Carmabela Sunshine, and I hope you enjoyed this book as much as we did. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a family you think will enjoy it too.